Hello and welcome, and today we're going to look at body parts. Body parts. Ebitundu byomubiri. Ebitundu byomubiri. So let's start. Head. Head. Omutwe. Omutwe. Eyes. Eyes. Amaaso. Amaaso. Teeth. Teeth. Amannyo. Amannyo. Ears. Ears. Amatu. Amatu. Tongue. Tongue. Olulimi. Olulimi. Chest. Chest. Ekifuba. Ekifuba. Hands. Hands. Emikono. Emikono. Legs. Legs. Amagulu. Amagulu. Feet. Feet. Ebigere. Ebigere. Waist. Waist. Ekiwato. Ekiwato. Fingers. Fingers. Engalo. Engalo. Skin. Skin. Olususu. Olususu. Hair. Hair. Enviiri. Enviiri. Okay, hope you've got something. And for my subscribers, stay tuned because more and more videos are dropping by. And if you're new to this channel, subscribe, like, share. Please leave your comment so that we can develop together. God bless you. Wait about. Bye-bye.